This one is a white oak and it's also a butt log. It has quite a bit of flute and probably could have used some trimming before it was put on. This white oak was blown down, and when I cut it off the root wad, it didn't sit back down. If this was somebody else's video and I was watching, I would shame them in the comments, so feel free. You'll see how much time I waste just trimming this guy up. One last thing with this one, they want full-length boards.